Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nylon thread is probably one of the most versatile and durable materials you can find for a wide range of applications, from crafting and upholstery to heavy-duty repairs and even outdoor gear. Its incredible strength, resistance to abrasion, and ability to withstand moisture make it an indispensable tool for anyone who needs a reliable and long-lasting thread. Whether you're a seasoned crafter, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional looking for superior performance, this thread is designed to meet your toughest demands and deliver exceptional results every time. Number 5. Anezus Clear Fishing Wire. Introducing Anezus Fishing Wire, the perfect solution for hanging your decorations. This clear line offers incredible strength while remaining virtually invisible. Crafted from strong monofilament nylon, this line is both flexible and durable. It can support up to 15 pounds, making it ideal for a variety of hanging needs. With a thin, transparent design, this cord disappears from sight, making it ideal for balloons, garlands, and ornaments. Achieve a floating effect with ease. Each roll provides 131 yards of clear fishing cord, ensuring you have plenty for all your party supplies, beading projects, and room decorations. This versatile line is suitable for numerous projects, from hanging Christmas ornaments to DIY crafts and general home decorations. Let your creativity shine. What we like. This thread is incredibly thin and clear, making it virtually invisible from a distance. If you're looking for a seamless look for hanging decorations or crafts, this is your go-to. Its large roll ensures you won't run out mid-project, perfect for party planners or DIY enthusiasts. What people say. This clear sewing wire is excellent. I primarily use it for wig repair, and it works perfectly for sewing up holes in lace. Even as a beginner, I found it very easy to work with. I used this to hang the mobile in my newborn's nursery. Worked really great. It is thicker than I expected and good quality. The string itself was tight, with no flexibility, holds nicely and looks fine. Number 4. Singer Clear Invisible Nylon Sewing Thread. Introducing our clear nylon sewing thread from Singer. It's perfect for all your sewing needs, providing a seamless finish every time. Tired of matching thread colors? This thread works like magic, appearing invisible on any fabric. You'll achieve a clean, professional look effortlessly. Beyond sewing, it's ideal for machine quilting, crafting, and home decor projects. Let your creativity flow with this adaptable thread. Its high strength and low stretch properties make it perfect for delicate tasks. It's excellent for stringing beads and creating beautiful jewelry. Each spool comes with 135 yards of clear nylon thread. You'll have plenty to complete multiple projects with this generous amount. What we like. This thread offers an invisible appearance, eliminating the need to match colors to your fabric. If you're working on quilting, crafts, or home decor where a clean, seamless finish is crucial, this is an excellent choice. Its high strength and low stretch also make it ideal for jewelry making. What people say. This heavy-duty nylon thread is perfect for upholstery projects. It's strong and doesn't break easily. The thread is a good thickness for sewing through denim and canvas, making it ideal for repairs and crafting. I was impressed with the smooth texture of the thread, which made it easy to work with my sewing machine. Number 3. Mandala Crafts Heavy-Duty Bonded Nylon Thread. Introducing our heavy-duty bonded nylon thread. It's stronger and more heat-tolerant than polyester, making it perfect for demanding projects. This thread excels with leather, canvas, vinyl, and denim. It's also a fantastic choice for upholstery, quilting, and heavy-duty repairs. Its UV-resistant and waterproof properties ensure long-lasting stitches on boat covers, tents, and outdoor furniture. It's designed to withstand the elements. Beyond sewing, it's perfect for hair extensions, wigs, and DIY jewelry making. Its strength and smooth finish are ideal for intricate crafts. Coated with a bonding agent, this thread glides smoothly through sewing machines and by hand. It won't unravel, ensuring neat and consistent stitches. What we like. This is a heavy-duty, bonded nylon thread designed for extreme durability and performance. If you need a thread that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions, high heat, or tough materials like leather and canvas, this is the one. It's perfect for marine applications, upholstery, and heavy-duty sewing projects. What people say. The bond is incredibly strong, ensuring durability and longevity in the finished products. It doesn't stretch and is fairly easy to use. I didn't get tangles and I don't think this will break easily, as the tensile strength seems really good. This thread is amazingly strong. The color is magnificent. Extremely heavy duty. Sews in a machine easily. I've had zero breakage. Number 2. Mandala Crafts size 46 bonded nylon thread, black. Introducing our heavy-duty sewing thread. It's stronger and more heat-tolerant than polyester, making it perfect for all your tough projects. This extra strong thread is fantastic for working with canvas, vinyl, suede, fur, and especially leather. It's also great for heavy items like coats and sofas. Our waterproof thread is designed for durability, even in outdoor conditions. It provides long-lasting stitches for boat covers, tents, and outdoor furniture. This versatile thread offers high tensile strength and reliability. It's perfect for upholstery, textile assembly, and any structural stitching needs. Coated to reduce friction, this thread ensures smooth stitches without unraveling. It's suitable for both sewing machines and hand sewing. What we like. This thread is an extra strong, bonded nylon option offering exceptional durability and UV resistance. If you are undertaking large-scale projects or require a thread that will last in outdoor environments, this is a fantastic value. Its bulk quantity makes it ideal for commercial use or frequent crafters. What people say. The bond is incredibly strong, ensuring durability and longevity in the finished products. It doesn't stretch and is fairly easy to use. I don't think this will break easily, as the tensile strength seems really good. This thread is amazingly strong. The color is magnificent. Extremely heavy duty. Sews in a machine easily. I've had zero breakage. Number 1. Topus Extra Strong Upholstery Repair Sewing Thread Kit. Introducing the Topus Extra Strong Upholstery Repair Sewing Thread Kit. This comprehensive set is designed for all your heavy-duty household sewing needs. It's the best-selling kit for repairing carpets, canvas, upholstery, coats, tents, mattresses, furs, and leather. Tackle any project with confidence. This kit includes 3 spools of durable nylon thread and 7 heavy-duty curved needles in various sizes. Everything you need is right here. The upholstery thread is made from bonded 3-ply nylon, perfect for both hand and machine sewing. It's ideal for indoor and outdoor heavyweight fabrics. Use the thick wax thread with the included heavy-duty needles for stronger stitches. The assorted hand needles are designed for various household repairs. Please keep these sharp needles out of reach of children. Handle them with care during use and storage for your safety. What we like. This product is a complete repair kit, including bonded nylon thread and a variety of heavy-duty needles. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution for upholstery repairs or heavy-duty household sewing, this kit has you covered. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants essential repair tools readily available. What people say. The thread is very sturdy as well as the needle. I used it to replace a broken zipper on a heavy winter coat. It made the job a breeze and genuinely shocked me at how fast I was able to finish the job. I had no idea that you could buy such thick thread. I would absolutely recommend this set for any type of thicker fabric like a heavy coat, purse, couch, car seat. Really anything. This kit is perfect for repairing upholstery, canvas, leather, and other heavy fabrics. The heavy-duty needles come in various shapes and sizes, so I can pick the right one for different projects, from hand-stitching upholstery seams to fixing a canvas tote. The nylon threads are thick, strong, and come in neutral colors that blend with most fabrics. I like that the spools are a good length and unwind smoothly. The needles in this kit are heavier, thicker made so they held up well. Because I'm often sewing up holes on a seam, the curved needles worked extremely well. The thread held up well and should make the repairs hold up for some time. Black color matched the canvas material of the bag. Would definitely recommend for hand sewing projects on thick material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.